the rise in stocks just won't quit. Wall Street's three major averages closed at record highs once again today. In fact, the Nasdaq broke through 9,000 for the first time ever. It's now risen for 11 straight sessions, making it the index's longest win streak since July of 2009. And it's been quite a trip to that 9,000 level. The index was at 325 back in 1990 before the dot-com boom and bubble pushed it to 5,000 for the first time by the end of that decade. Then came the huge decline leading to the 2002 recession. In fact, it didn't get back to 5,000 until 2008, only to be hit once again by the Great Recession. It hit 8,000 last year, and today its first close above 9,000. Here are the closing numbers for today, with the Dow up 105 points. We're now at 28,621. The Nasdaq rose 69 today, and the S&P added 16. Frank Holland starts us off tonight on the Nasdaq's record run.
The road to the Nasdaq crossing the 9,000 mark was paved with computer chips, yoga pants, and lattes. It's not surprising that chips are a major factor for the tech-heavy index. AMD gaining 85%, seeing the biggest improvement since the Nasdaq crossed the 8,000 mark back in August of 2018. Lam Research and Broadcom also gaining more than 50%. Consumer stocks also pushing the Nasdaq higher. Yoga pant maker Lululemon rising 67% since the 8,000 mark. Starbucks gaining 66%. Charter Communications, one of the biggest cable providers in the nation, gaining more than 59%. The so-called FANG names, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, as well as Microsoft, had the biggest impact on the index, but they were actually mixed on the road to 9,000. Stocks, they typically get a boost this time of year, the so-called Santa Claus rally, but with the Nasdaq closing at yet another record, some experts believe these gains could be more than just seasonal. For Nightly Business Report, Frank Holland.